being a leader of IEM, what is your philosophy on leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Well, leadership is a word where a person gives a vision to the team members, the way the particular action will be taken. And as a leader, a person or what else I believe that you have to be in the forefront of that particular action till the end. And you have to give a motivation to your counterpart or to your team so that the work can be done in a united way and in a very coordination mode. So that is the thing what I believe a leadership is and a true leader is.
Thank you so much. So, what do you think is the one unique thing a student learns or gains when he joins IEM?
You know that IAM is an hospitality based institute where we give a training on hotel management. We give the students the ins and outs of the management which is introduced in the hotels so that the industry can run in a better way. And from the very beginning, the students will be going to the working in the ultimate field or work. They are well equipped with the industry, with the way of working style, and we prepare the students in such a way so that the students get a well exposure in the hospitality sector where they will be working and they will be making the future. So we guide the student in all way and we try to give the original atmosphere in the college.
So, what do you think are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Sir, as a one of the person of the or the responsible person of this big institute, education is the major thing for which the student comes to the institute. But only education will make them a demotivated. So, as a person, as a member of this big IAM team, my duty is to give that motivation in other ways because you see when a student is doing the education, that is the main thing, and along with that if we give a backup system, if we have a backup system, like if we say if we organize some events for them where they can participate, where they can do innovate new things for that particular event, they can get a moral booster as well as they are exposed to the industry where they will be going. So my part is that to give the motivation to arrange the backup things to get motivated for the ultimate purpose of which they came.
Okay. So, when you first joined this team at IEM, what was your vision and how has it evolved over time?
When I joined IAM, my vision was that particularly we need to expand this particular sector, that is the tourism and hospitality sector, because if we see in India or if we go for globally, that all the sectors the slowly decreasing in their manpower, but this is the sector where one can come and make their future having the social status, financial status, and everything what the student want to be in the future. My vision was that We have to spread the awareness of hospitality industry amongst the students so that they can come to the alternative career path.
Okay. So, sir, what do you think is the greatest strength of IM? Why has IM been a constant name in education revolution in hospitality? What is that one thing which makes it different?
The one thing which IAM means in the name itself is stand. If you just segregate I and aim a little bit, that means I am. I am means I can. We give the students the latest state of the art technology which is going on in the hospitality sector. We try to give the original exposure uh, in the training period, and the most important thing that the faculties and the students are very friendly atmosphere so that we can cultivate what we are trying to give them in the core of the mind so that they become encouraged, enriched, and enlightened in the field of hospitality. When they go for their this profession, when they take up the profession after the course, they don't find anything new which they will have to learn there, because everything has been taught from here only. That is the way why IAM is day by day becoming the trendsetter in this industry.
Okay. So, sir, can you give us an insight as to how IEM is so welcoming to students, and why IEM has been a frontline leader for students of different socio-economic backgrounds?
Well, first of all, we are trying to create the awareness that it can be a future for the students. Next is that when we are going to the student, or else in other words, the students are coming to us, we are guiding them according to their financial status. What I mean to say, that we have different courses and different courses have different fees. So, and everything, the first aim of IAM or motto of IAM is to provide a job after their completion of the course, whether it's a 3-year degree along with the advanced program in hospitality administration or in 1-year diploma in hotel management. The way we motivate or we guide the students, the way we try to understand the financial background of the student, that makes the student come each and every day, because they know that IAM has all alternatives for all sectors of people.
So, sir, IEM has changed the face of hospitality in Northeast. But what do you think is the future? How will IEM continue to revolutionize education in Northeast?
Well, for the last 2 years, I want to share one thing with you, that the leaders of this sector, that is the government sector, that means if I say the Assam tourism or India tourism of central government, they have seen our motto. They have they have seen how we are working in the all the sectors to promote tourism and hospitality to the student, to the mediocre level student, to have a great future for them, and they have given appreciations to us. That is the thing. After a long period, they have, when the appreciation come from this type of departments of the government department, obviously it means that we are giving a right way to the student for their future.
So, sir, I would like to finish the interview by asking you that being heading marketing at IEM, you have seen the ups and downs or the revolution which digital has brought in terms of education marketing. So, what do you think is the way going forward? How can we reach students in remote parts of Northeast, which was traditionally not being able to be done by BTL or traditional marketing? How do you think we go forward?
Well, it- what I want to say is that what I have seen out of the track, what I have seen that each and every people right at this moment, I repeat, each and every people right at this moment has an Android phone in his hand from from every class, and the students or the guardians or in or all the people, most of the peoples, though residing in the remotest part of Northeast India, they are carrying this, and through digital platform, we can reach them. We can spread the awareness, which we can't do in a normal way of advertisement or this promotional activities. Only one thing I believe is that if we go for this digital system, we can reach to those people to whom we can't reach through the normal procedure. Only and only digital platform is the place through which we can reach to these type of people. That is what I believe.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and for giving College Dunia the opportunity to reach out to students through your very humbling and very kind words. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.